Hi there. I'm Dr. Noel Nelson, and it's my pleasure to share a few thoughts with you today, some uplifting, inspiring, and practical tips to help you find greater happiness and success in your life. Today's topic, the force of habit. Change is difficult for most of us, yet often it is the only way to be happier and more satisfied in life. You want to lose weight? Well, you have to change your eating patterns, for example. You want to have less stress and more energy? You have to change how you do or don't exercise. You want to get to work on time? You have to change your morning routine. Creating happier selves requires change. Well, you're no dummy. You know that. So what's the problem? The problem is, here you are starting your 100th diet because every time you go on a diet, you go off it within 2 weeks. Or here you are joining yet another gym, too embarrassed to go back to your old gym since you only went to it for the first, maybe 10 days of your 6-month membership. Or how about after a week of valiant effort, you find yourself once again arriving late to work? You conclude you're a no-good, worthless, lazy, substandard member of the human race. You might as well give up. What the heck? They'd better like me just as I am, you think, and curl up in self-pity in front of the TV with a large bag of chips. Well, in fact, you are not a no-good, worthless, lazy, substandard member of the human race. You are simply not using a very powerful tool you already have to help you make changes, namely habit. Yes, habit, as announced by that lovely little ding. Things we do by habit are things we do virtually without thinking of them. We just do them. Now that is an incredibly powerful force. You put your clothes on the way you do by habit. You eat the way you do by habit. You even think the way you think by habit. But you didn't always have these habits. You acquired them by repeating the same behavior in the same way over and over and over again. So how does this relate to making changes? The easiest way to make a change in how you do things is to create a new habit, a new way of doing things automatically. In 3 easy steps. Number 1, tie the new habit to an old habit. You see, an old habit is the strongest thing in the world. Use this power to your advantage. For example, you used to go home directly from the work and raid the fridge. Getting into your car to go someplace, namely home, to the fridge after work is a habit. So take advantage of it by getting in your car after work, the old habit, and driving directly to the gym, the new habit you want to create as opposed to the fridge. Or, let's say you want to get to work earlier, and you like to watch the news before you go to bed. Okay, so tie a new habit, namely setting your clothes out the night before to shorten your morning routine or making your lunch, whatever, to the old habit, pre-bed TV watching, by getting your clothes out during the commercials or racing to the kitchen and getting your sandwich made during the commercials, whatever. You get the point. Then, set up support and reminder mechanisms for yourself. Write reminders of the new habit you want to create and the wonderful benefits you will get from it, and post them everywhere, in your car, on your bathroom mirror, on your phone, on your TV. Enlist the help of a friend. Call them daily with how you're doing. Ask them to encourage you and support you when you're feeling weak. And lastly, repeat the new habit diligently a minimum of 3 weeks, because it takes at least 3 weeks for a new habit to start to take hold. Follow these easy steps for 3 weeks, hang tight, and you'll be well on your way to that desired change and a much happier you. Thank you for listening to Up, and check out my new book, I Survived COVID-19, What Now? Finding Happiness and Success in a Post-COVID World. If you'd like more uplifting, inspiring, practical tips and techniques, as well as my website, noelnelson.com, or take a look at my Meet the Amazings Facebook page. Until next time, be well and take care.